Hey guys, this is Mechtar Omada. Welcome to my next video. Today, I'm going to show you how to program an Arduino to blink out an SOS signal on a separate light emitting diode, also known as an LED. For those who don't know what SOS is, allow me to enlighten you. The SOS signal was used by ships and aeroplanes to call for help. It is an internationally recognized signal of distress in radio code represented as 3 dots, 3 dashes, and 3 dots again, used specially by ships for calling help. SOS stands for Save Our Souls. So, now that you know the basic necessary things, let us begin with our project. Okay, so this is the first screen you will get after opening the app Arduino IDE. I shall be giving the link for downloading this app in the description below. Okay, so if you see here, it says an X Arduino Mega or Mega 2560 because I've set it to be that. I've already connected this device before, and here's the device Arduino. So I've already connected the cable. I will be connecting this to my laptop, and if you see on the screen, it will immediately recognize it. There you go, it's recognized it, and now we can start writing our code. Okay, so let's begin our programming for this Arduino to give the SOS signal for this LED. We are going to be using a breadboard, 2 wires, the Arduino of course, and we need a wire to connect this Arduino to our laptop. It also gives the power for the Arduino. Okay, let's begin. So, like all programming languages, Arduino also has an integer. So if we type int, it comes in blue. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this int to be white LED. And white LED is basically this, but it's red, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a name. So white LED, which is equal to 8. So this means this LED is supposed to be pin 8. Pin 8 is right over here. Okay, so now we have that done. Always put a semicolon after every single command. Otherwise, it won't come properly. Okay, so now what we got to do is, like in SOS, there's 3 dots, 3 dashes, and 3 dots again. So that's tit tit tit, dot dot dot, tit tit tit. So what for that you're going to do is you're going to create an integer called dit, which is equal to, let's say, 200. It's that's 200 is the time, and not seconds of course, because that would be too long. Anyways, always put a semicolon like I have done right now, and let's create another integer called da, which is equal to 700. And so after everything, we want an ending for about 2000. That will be good, so that it gives some space between the next SOS signal, because you're going to keep it repeating, because it's a loop, as you can see, void loop. Okay, so int long wait. Okay, we'll keep this as 2000, and that's it. We are ready for writing our main code in the dark void of emptiness. Okay, so now we are in the void setup. So it basically says put your setup code here to run once. So what we're going to do is we're going to put pin mode. Okay, pin mode equals, what we're going to do is we don't need equals 8, and we want this output. We want this as the output. So basically what this says is every command we give it to the 8 pin in the Arduino board. So now, oh sorry. Okay, so now that's it in our void setup. So let's go into the void loop, which is where we're going to write all our code. So if we write digital write it digitally, pretty easy. Okay, white LED height. So this tells this that you have to keep the white LED, which is this, bright. So if we put low, it means dim. and off. So, oh sorry, that's not digital, it's digital. And okay, so we want it to delay, so we want to keep that white LED high for DIT, because we kept it as 200. So if we do this again, digital, oops, I forgot to put the semicolon, digital right. Now we want it off, white LED low, we want it off. So put a semicolon and we write delay DIT, and that's it. We just have to copy paste this continuously for how long we want. Okay, so copy paste, and oops, I gotta copy paste. Let's just do it again. Copy. Okay, so let's just give a gap, paste, just give a gap, paste. So that's DIT, that's 3 this. Now let's move on to the DAWs. So we can just paste this. We just need to change this to DAW, and this as well to DAW. Okay, now we'll just copy this one. Let's see. Okay, paste. Oops, this is an indentation. We don't want that. DAW. So that's DIT, DAW. Now you can just copy this whole thing over here and just write DIT. That's it, we're done. So we just need to put delay long W, and we are done completely. So now if we upload this to the Arduino, it will show the SOS signal. So I'm just going to, okay, so let me just connect the pins and show you. Since this Arduino board, since you're in the 8th pin, we've kept it at the 8th pin, we can't connect the 8th pin to the ground over here. It's too far. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to be using this breadboard. So if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. I'm just going to be putting it there, the first wire there. And when I bring up my Arduino here, I'm going to put that same wire in 8 over here. And now this wire, if we place our LED first over here, that should be like it should be like this, I hope, for everyone. Okay, it should be right under the wire, and we have to connect this other wire right under the second one. So if we connect that over there, it will be looking like this, and we connect the second one to the ground over here. And now what we're going to do is we are going to be uploading this to the Arduino. Spelling this sketch and compilation error. Let's check out what the error is. Okay, I might have forgotten to put a semicolon over here. Okay, now let's check it out again. Save, upload. Let's check it. Okay, oh, I forgot to save it. So let's just name it as SOS Arduino. Okay, it's completed the upload. And now if you check my video here, there you go. You have your own SOS signal. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you in our next video. Check out these 2 videos up here. Goodbye.